the beginning of vlog 3. It is not on my computer camera, it is on my phone for the first time, the beginning of a vlog. Amazing. And the first time, it's freaking snowing. It is literally snowing for the first time this year, besides the spring, obviously. Sucks. But that just means more hot chocolate! Alright, you guys have all met Lorraine. If you've been watching my videos, you know who Lorraine is. She's my beat bagger. She's also my aunt and my roommate. It's her first time bagging. It's her first time bagging and like when there's snow on the ground. It's probably 30 some degrees. It's very, very cold. She's never bagged beats in this cold of weather. I want to get it on camera for the first time what she says to me. So, I don't know, I'm going to say something to her. Hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully she has a good reaction. So let's do this. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. So, roommate, how do you like bagging beats when there's snow on the ground?
It really, really sucks double ass now.
Yeah, so she's got a whole new pile of beats to bag now. She's got this big pile. It's about as tall as she is. So it doesn't suck ass, it sucks double ass?
Double, triple ass, it sucks now.
Double. Okay. I'll believe you, because it's kind of cold out here. Yeah. Sweet. Hey guys. My friend's calling. Let's answer. Jello?
Hello.
What's up?
I was just going to get my shoes because I forgot them at the gym. Just like I forgot my sweatshirt, so I figured I'd tell you what was there.
Oh, that's nice. I'm not busy right now, too, so it's perfect.
Good. I'm recording this, by the way, just a little bit. So if you want to say hi to the people of the internet, you
What's up, people from internet? This is his best friend, I think, I hope so. What's going on?
let's not go crazy here.
Let's you people gotta like his video. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Like amazing blue, it's amazing and blue.
Yeah.
Stop talking.
You're like, I'm gonna cut this out.
Yeah. I just wanted to record that little bit. Now I'm done recording.
Oh, okay. Cool.
YouTube has become a second full-time job.
Well, yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll say that. I'm sure.
It's work, but it's fun, but I don't know. It gives a chance for people to see like your life, so it's awesome.
Yeah. God, I think I'm gonna get to Taco Bell. I'm hungry.
Taco Bell? Dude, we're having tacos tonight, you freaking copier.
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, exactly.
Except for my aunt's gonna make it, cause, yeah. Totes. Totes.
Yeah.
Totes my goats, man.
Oh, your toast?
Toast my totes and toast my I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. My brain's going to mush.
And then I forgot my shoes and they were still there, but like really nobody's gonna go up and grab a random pair of shoes because they'll think it's somebody that's actually in the gym, you know? So
You're gonna be like, what the hell's going on?
they probably think I went and just randomly stole shoes, but I went straight in them right to the shoe rack, so obviously it looked like I was going to get the shoe picker.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, it was stuck to lose because I just paid like $120 for them.
For shoes?
Yeah.
I just paid $90 for my boots.
Oh really? These are Nike running shoes.
Well, mine are like a cowboy boot / work boot, so they're very sexy. The ladies are gonna like it.
Ladies.
The ladies.
Yeah.
Are you back in black?
Yes, I am. Back in black.
That's awesome.
Yeah, like no girl, like there'll be girls I'll talk to, but like I'll get bored to talk to them or whatever. But me and her, we're just like talking a lot, and then like she'll message me in the morning. She'll be like, "Hey, I hope you're having a good day and whatnot." And then you saw the picture of her. She's like really good looking.
Nice. My Aunt Lorraine had to have my mom do this bandage thing. Now I gotta put the glove on her. How are you gonna do this? Like, does that hurt?
Yes.
Like, we're gonna do this.
We're tough around here. Alright.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Alright, I'm off.
There you go. You got a bag like that? Like, take a break, woman. I try to get different angles too. Like, I'll use like my computer camera, then I'll use my phone. Yeah, that's the only two I got, I guess. But yeah, I guess I'll call you later or talk to you later.
Yeah, thanks. Alright.
Okay.
See ya.
Goodbye, awesome person.
Bye.
Bye. That was my friend Joel, and now I'm gonna take care of a customer. So here's a time lapse while you wait. All right, now I'm looking at myself. We're gonna watch my Aunt Lorraine work in a time-lapse video. I'm using 2 time-lapse videos in 1 YouTube video. We're breaking records today. Let's do this. That, folks, was my aunt bagging. She does very good work. But I'm going to show you guys a couple videos of me flying a plane in this next clip. Here we go! Sorry guys, I did not get more of me flying the plane. I really couldn't record while I was flying, but I did record before I got in the plane, when I was in it taxiing, and then I got a little bit when he was landing. The pilot there, he landed, so I got a quick shot of that. But yeah, I did fly for about half an hour. It's about, I don't know, 5 to 10 miles. It's pretty fun. You'll see more of that when I actually start flying more. So hope you guys like this video, and tune in a couple of days for another vlog. It'll be vlog number 4. See you guys later.